Receiving extra money from the government to raise children can be extremely helpful for most taxpayers.
Shut up! Before I bust a cap.
Hey, I'm your host, Reginald Marshall, and today we're going to be discussing what the child tax credit is and everything you need to know to file your 2022 tax return. And with that said, let's jump into the video. The child tax credit, what is it? The child tax credit is a tax credit that may help you reduce your tax liability and help you maximize your tax refund.
Shut up! Now who sent you?
It's available to taxpayers with qualifying children under the age of 17. It's a $2,000 tax credit and $1,500 of that $2,000 is refundable.
Shut! Did I say? No! Oh shit! Say it again. Say something else. Oh! Say something else. Say something else.
Meaning, if you do not have a tax liability, money that you owe the government, you can get $1,500 added to your tax refund.
Oh shit! Oh!
However, there are some qualifications to claim this credit. The first qualification is it must be a qualifying child. A qualifying child can be son, daughter, brother, sister, an eligible foster child, stepson, grandchild, sibling, niece, and or nephew. Other qualifications to claim this credit: the child must be under the age of 17 years old at the end of the year. The child must live with you for more than 6 months. The child cannot provide more than 50% of his or her own financial support. The child must be able to be claimed on your federal tax return. The child must be a U.S. citizen, U.S. resident, or U.S. national, and the child must have a valid Social Security number. If the child is 17 years or older at the end of the tax year, instead of the credit being $2,000, the credit then reduces to $500 per that child. Now, there are some income thresholds when trying to claim this credit. The first threshold is if you're a single filer, you must make under $200,000. If you're married filing jointly, you must make under $400,000. Now, for all my taxpayers that exceed that threshold, it is a phase out period where it's $50 reduced for every $1,000 that exceeds that threshold. So you still can qualify for that credit. It will just be at a reduced amount. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you know, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more cash can flow. So until next time.